Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through a high-level technical overview of PrinterLogic and how it works. PrinterLogic is a cloud-first printer management solution that replaces traditional print servers with centrally managed direct IP printing, all without requiring an internet connection to print. That means better security, fewer points of failure, and less time spent troubleshooting print issues. In a traditional setup, print jobs travel from user workstations to a centralized or distributed print server before reaching the printer. This setup can cause delays, security risks, and IT bottlenecks when something goes wrong. With PrinterLogic, print servers become a thing of the past. Our migration tool seamlessly transfers all printer configurations, including names, locations, IP addresses, drivers, and user preferences directly into PrinterLogic. No print server needed. When a user prints, the job is sent directly to the printer via direct IP, reducing complexity and improving reliability. Getting started is simple. Once printers are imported into PrinterLogic, the PrinterLogic agent is deployed to end-user workstations. This can be done silently using your preferred software distribution tool. Once installed, it automatically converts shared printers to direct IP, so users don't have to reconfigure anything themselves. Need to ensure users have the right printers? PrinterLogic lets you assign printers based on Active Directory groups, identity provider groups, IP address ranges, workstation host names, MAC addresses, and Chromebooks. Because these printers are installed as direct IP, every print job goes straight to the printer. No server delays, no extra troubleshooting, print jobs never leave your network. And here's something your end users will love: self-service printer installation. With PrinterLogic's self-service portal, users can add printers with a single click, no admin rights needed. With optional floor plan maps, they can visually select the right printer, making onboarding smoother and reducing support tickets. That's the power of PrinterLogic, a modern, streamlined print experience. Want to see more? Check out our other videos for an in-depth look at the features that make print management effortless.